Most people don't fail on LinkedIn because they have nothing valuable to say. They fail because turning a good idea into a real post takes too much effort. You have insights, ideas after meetings, notes, PDFs, articles, things you know could be useful content. But when it's time to post, you open LinkedIn, stare at the blank page, start thinking about the hook, structure, tone, and suddenly something that should take 10 minutes turns into an hour. So you stop. Not because you don't know what to say, but because you don't have a system to say it consistently. And that's the real problem. Because on LinkedIn, growth doesn't come from one good post. It comes from showing up consistently with a clear voice people start to recognize. So this week, instead of testing just another AI tool, I tested a workflow, a way to turn existing ideas, links, and documents into actual LinkedIn content, fast enough to stay consistent. And the engine behind that workflow is Dynal, not as a tool, but as a system. First thing I noticed is that Dynal doesn't start with writing. It starts with identity. Before generating anything, you define what you want to be known for, your role, your audience, your tone, your boundaries, your content direction. This is what they call brand DNA. And honestly, this is where most people go wrong. Because generic AI can write, but it doesn't know who you are trying to become. It doesn't know your positioning, your audience, your voice. So everything sounds generic. Dynal fixes that first. So instead of creating random posts every time, it builds around a consistent identity. Now here's the workflow. Instead of starting from zero, you start with something real, a PDF, a link, a web page, even just raw notes. You drop that in and Dynal turns it into a LinkedIn-ready post. Not just summarized, but structured, with a hook, clear flow, readable format, something that actually fits the platform. And that's important, because LinkedIn is not about information, it's about how you package that information. From there, you refine. You don't rewrite everything. You improve specific parts. Stronger hook, shorter version, better clarity, cleaner structure, all while keeping the same voice. That's where it saves time. Then comes the part most workflows break, visuals. Normally you write in one tool, design in another, and edit somewhere else. Here, Dynal generates matching visuals and carousel-style content directly. So your post and your visuals stay aligned. And on LinkedIn, that matters, because presentation affects perception before people even read. Then you publish or schedule. And this is where consistency actually becomes real. Because instead of thinking, I should post tomorrow, you already have post ready. But the two features that make this feel like a system, not just a tool, are these. First, plan plus schedule. You can sit once and generate a full week of content. Set your goal, choose your direction, define your focus, and Dynal builds structured posts based on that. So instead of creating one post at a time, you batch your consistency. Second, trending inspiration. Instead of guessing what works, you can see real LinkedIn posts that are already performing well. Then you can reuse the structure, but apply your own idea and voice. This is huge, because most people don't lack knowledge, they lack the right angle. So when you put it all together, this is not just about writing posts, it's about removing the execution bottleneck. It helps you turn ideas into content, content into consistency, and consistency into visibility. And this is also where the difference with ChatGPT becomes clear. ChatGPT is general. You can use it for anything. Dynal is focused. It's built specifically for turning your ideas into LinkedIn content that fits your voice, your positioning, and your workflow. Not better in every case, but better for this specific outcome. And no tool replaces your thinking. You still need a real perspective. You still need to review the output, but the system removes the hardest part, starting from zero every time. So if you're someone who knows you should be posting on LinkedIn, but you're not doing it consistently, not because you don't have ideas, but because the process takes too long, this kind of workflow is worth testing. If you want to try it, I'll leave Dynal in the description and pinned comment. And if you want the discount, use Border80. You'll get 20% off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.